Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of sin2x over the square root of sin x squared minus cosine x squared dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we will about u equals for the square root. Later that we put the square in the both sides. Next, we do first the derivative in the both sides. So you go about 2u du equal to 2 sin x cosine x plus 2 sin x cosine x, and everything that's about the x. Next, this one you go about 4 sin x cosine x. Later that we divide both sides with number 2, and you go about 2 sin x cosine x. This one we change to sin 2x. Now we need to change this one. The square root we change for u. Sin 2x dx we change for u du. U divided by u, you go about du. And now we go about u plus c. About u, we need to change back for this one. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.